In Palmetto Bay, where tropical beauty meets upscale suburban living, homeowners are always looking for smart ways to enhance both lifestyle and property value. One of the most impactful upgrades you can make is the installation of Bow Windows. Elegant, functional, and perfectly suited to South Florida homes, Bow Windows can significantly increase your home's value while transforming the way you experience your space. What are Bow Windows? Bow windows are a series of 4 or more windows joined together to form a gentle curve that extends outward from the home's exterior wall. Unlike bay windows, which typically use 3 panels and sharper angles, bow windows create a smooth, rounded appearance. This design allows more natural light to enter the home and provides expansive outdoor views, something especially valuable in scenic communities like Palmetto Bay. Boosting curb appeal. Instantly, first impressions matter, particularly in competitive real estate markets like Palmetto Bay. Bow windows add architectural interest and dimension to a home's exterior, instantly elevating its appearance. Whether your property features coastal, Mediterranean, modern, or traditional styling, bow windows create a sophisticated focal point that stands out. Homes with distinctive architectural details tend to attract more buyer interest. When potential buyers drive through a neighborhood, a home with beautifully designed bow windows feels brighter, more open, and more inviting before they even step inside. That enhanced curb appeal often translates directly into stronger offers and faster sales. Maximizing natural light. Palmetto Bay is known for its sunshine, lush landscaping, and outdoor living culture. Bow windows allow homeowners to bring more of that natural beauty indoors. Because of their curved design and multiple panes, they capture light from several angles throughout the day, brightening rooms without the need for additional fixtures. Natural light does more than just improve aesthetics. Bright interiors feel larger, cleaner, and more welcoming. Studies consistently show that well-lit homes are more appealing to buyers and can command higher resale values. In addition, increased daylight can reduce reliance on artificial lighting, contributing to lower energy costs. Expanding functional living space. One of the most practical benefits of bow windows is the extra interior space they create. The outward curve forms a small nook that can be used in a variety of ways: a cozy reading corner, a breakfast seating area, a decorative plant display, or even additional storage with built-in benches. In a market like Palmetto Bay, where buyers appreciate flexible living spaces, this added functionality can make your home more competitive. Even a modest increase in usable square footage enhances perceived value. Buyers are drawn to homes that feel spacious and thoughtfully designed, and bow windows help achieve exactly that. Framing beautiful outdoor views. Many Palmetto Bay homes are surrounded by tropical gardens, waterfront views, or manicured landscapes. Bow windows provide panoramic sightlines that traditional flat windows simply can't match. Instead of limiting your view to one angle, bow windows open up a wider visual connection to the outdoors. This seamless integration of indoor and outdoor living aligns perfectly with the South Florida lifestyle. Homes that celebrate natural surroundings tend to feel more luxurious and serene, qualities that positively influence property value. Energy efficiency and storm protection. Modern bow windows are designed with energy-efficient glass and durable framing materials that perform well in Florida's climate. When professionally installed, they help maintain indoor temperatures and reduce drafts. Many options also meet local hurricane impact standards, which is particularly important in Palmetto Bay. Energy efficiency and storm resistance are strong selling points for buyers in South Florida. Impact-rated bow windows can even lower insurance premiums in some cases, adding another layer of long-term value for homeowners. A smart investment for long-term value. Home improvements that combine beauty, comfort, and performance tend to deliver the best return on investment. Bow windows check all 3 boxes. They enhance visual appeal, increase natural light, expand usable space, and improve energy efficiency, all features today's buyers actively seek. For Palmetto Bay homeowners looking to elevate their property and maximize resale potential, Bow Windows offer a strategic and stylish upgrade. By enhancing both the interior experience and exterior presentation, they don't just improve your home, they increase its lasting value.